Now, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Nintendo Switch OLED. So this is the newest release in the Switch series that comes with an updated 7-inch OLED screen compared to the 6.2-inch size LCD display on the previous model. It's actually been a while since I've used a Switch, so I'm pretty excited to see what this newer model has to offer. And the one thing I want to point out is that the box design on this is a lot taller for some reason. Kind of a weird thing to point out, but you know, I had to say it. Okay, so let's get this thing up and see what's inside. Okay, so we've got the Switch itself. I'm going to put that to the side. We've got the Joy-Cons, which look pretty slick. We got blue and red right here. Okay, opening the box up a little bit more. Got some cables. Looks like an HDMI. Power cord. Okay, then we got the controller attachment right here. You know, I really never used this on, you know, whatever, the original Switch, so I don't really imagine I'm going to use it too much. Then we've got like the charging port thing right here. Let's take a look at it. The charging dock. Whatever you want to call it, right? And they wrap this thing pretty good. All right, there it is. All right, looks pretty cool. Okay, let's get the controllers attached to the Switch so we can actually like load this thing up because I'm excited to see what the screen looks like. All right, so let's get it out of the packaging. Now, another thing about this is that the bezels are smaller, so you are going to get more of the screen. So it's not only, you know, bigger, but the bezels are smaller. All right, moment of truth, guys. We're going to power this thing up. I got to say, too, whenever you get like a new device or like, we'll just say like a tablet or anything, the screen always just looks so clean. And I feel like I'm going to get this thing so dirty. I've got no screen protector for this. All right, let's put these in. Okay, so to save some time, I skipped through this startup screen for you guys, and I've already done a couple things. I also needed to point out that the kickstand feature on the Switch OLED is a lot better. On the previous Switches, it's just like this little thing, but now you've got the whole back, which will, you know, work as a kickstand. Then, of course, you get double the storage on the Switch OLED, so it goes from 32 to 64, which is a pretty big deal because you are going to need to get an SD card for this, like no matter what, because you will, you know, get that 64 gigs pretty fast with the size of these games. Now, I'm going to throw up Metroid Dread. I downloaded the demo game for this. I'm going to play it for, you know, a couple of minutes so we can check out just the screen quality and just some of the gaming quality and loudness, and then I'll give you like my final thoughts on what I think of this.
That elevator leads to the depths of an underground facility. Signal quality is likely to be low. Remote communication remains difficult. Try to connect to the facility's network when you reach the bottom. That way, get in contact. Many injections, lady.
Okay, so I'm definitely impressed with the Nintendo Switch OLED, and if you're using an older Nintendo Switch, one of the previous models, I would say it's probably worth upgrading to this. The screen quality on this is a lot better, you know, having that OLED display. It's also bigger, which is going to be better for obviously playing games, watching video, whatever you're going to do on this. You've got the kickstand feature, which is like now the whole backside of the Switch, and then of course you get double the storage on this, so it goes from 32 to 64, and those are really three things that are a pretty big deal in my opinion. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to be putting out some more videos on the Switch OLED in the next week or so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.